So welcome to this video where we will show how to create an instance running Arca Trusted OS in a confidential VM in Google Cloud. So the goal of this video, there are two goals, in fact. The first one is to show the simplicity to create an instance running Arca Trusted OS in Google Cloud. We will show you one way to do it. So through Google Cloud Platform, there are other ways to do it. It's possible to automatize this process with, for example, with Terraform script, but that's not the topic of this video today. The second goal of this video is to allow you, so the viewer of this video, to perform this type of creation, of instance creation alone. So what is shown in this video? So the content, the content of this video is really about how to configure Google Cloud Platform to create an instance running Arca Trusted OS in a confidential VM. So there are 5 steps to cover. Step 1 is basically just to create a new instance. Okay, and for this, you will have to put some information like a name for this instance. Very basic. Then we start to configure this instance to be to run in a confidential VM. So let me remind you in a few words what is a confidential VM. So a confidential VM is a virtual machine that is isolated from the host OS, from the kernel, from the host OS and from the hypervisor, thanks to confidential computing. So this technology that is running with a hardware-based trusted execution environment. Then step 3, the video shows how to select Arca Trusted OS as a guest OS. To know that SciSec is not part of Google market share. So this means that we are not by default proposed by Google. But nevertheless, there are possibilities to upload an image of Arca Trusted OS to put in your instance. Then next step is about the configuration of some security settings that needs to be adjusted to Arca Trusted OS. In fact, we need to make sure that the secure boot is turned on. You need to know that by default, when you select the shielded VM, so which is one settings from Google to protect virtual machines, the secure boot is not turned on by default. And then the last step, it's simple. You just push on the create button and the instance is created. Now, what is not shown in this video? First, there are some video sequences that might have been cut to avoid wasting time while data is loading. And second, this video doesn't show how to upload SciSec Secure Boot public keys in Google Cloud. And this topic, so the key uploading, will be shown in another video. Okay, so now let's move to the video. Okay, we start here. So before starting really the video, let's take a bit of time because it will last only less than 1 minute. So as you can see, we are using a Google Cloud Platform. So the interface, let's say, that is offered by Google Cloud to generate instances. And of course, the first step that we will do is just to push on this create button. So let's start the video now. Okay. It starts. Okay, so we create the instance. And then, as I told you, you just need to enter a name. So in this case, Arca OS test 01. Then we configure the confidential VM. Then we boot, and we need to upload an image. As you can see, we go in custom image and we select the image from Arca Trusted OS. Public image is for image that are on the market share. So that's why Arca, you need to go to a custom image. You see, we made a mistake with the size of the disk. Okay, but then we continue with 10 gig. And now it's the setting about security. So shielded VM, as you can see, the secure boot is not turned on by default. And then last step we create. And that's the end of the video. Your instance has been created. So I would like to thank you for listening to this video. I hope that you now are aware that creating instances in Google Cloud running with Arca Trusted OS is something very simple. Hopefully you are able to do it yourself, just viewing this video maybe once again. But in any case, if you need more information, if you need more help to install your Arca Trusted OS image on an instance running on GCP, don't hesitate to contact us at the email address that is shown on this slide. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.